In this video, I'm going to show you how to check the Safaricom lines or numbers registered using your ID. And I'll also help you block the lines that are registered under your ID. This will help you maintain your privacy and be safe from online scam and fraud, okay? Click the phone icon there. Now type star 106 hash, press call. Then select option 1. Now, what you want to do first is check registration status. Then you will receive a message with the registration status. As you can see there, that's my registration status under my ID. Now type star 106 hash. Select option 1. Now select option 4. By doing this, you can deactivate the number if you believe it has been erroneously registered under your ID. Thank you guys for watching. Let's meet in the next video.